Hello scholars, welcome back. I hope you all are doing great at home. In today's video, we are going to learn chapter 13 and 14 from our grammar textbook. So I want you all to get ready with your cornerstone books. Open page number 61. Let's read the chapter name. Near and far. You all know the meaning of near and far, isn't it? Yes. So let's continue, okay? As you can see in the same page, there are some pictures and there are sentences written beside these pictures. Let's read what it is written, okay? This baby is my brother. You can look at the arrow, okay? The arrow is small, that means the baby is near, okay? And the arrow is big, is long in the next one, isn't it? Okay, so in that sentence, what it is written? That house belongs to my grandparents. Yes, what is used here? T-H-A-T, that. That is written in blue color, isn't it? Now, in the next one, you can see the small arrow again, isn't it? T-H-E-S-E, these are my crayons. Okay, here what is used? These. Next, those people are my neighbors. Now here the arrow is long again. Yes, those people are my neighbors. Okay, so we already learnt in grade 1, but let's revise this. Okay, when do we use this, that? We use this when something is near to us and it is about one thing. Okay, like this is my book, this is my pencil. Alright, in the same way, when you're talking about something that is far from you and you're talking about only one thing, then you say that. Okay, in the same way, these and those, when is these used? These is used when you're talking about many things, more than one, but they are near to you. Okay, these are my books. Alright, these are my things. It is more than one. And when do you use those? Those is used when you're talking about something that is far and it is more than one. Okay, so that's the reason here the arrows are small and long, showing you that if they are near and far, so that you can identify and write down this, that, these and those. Okay, so let's do the exercises to understand better. Turn to page number 62. Let's read the question A. Look at these pictures. Fill in the blanks with this, that, these or those. Okay, you can see the distance here. Alright, and accordingly, and also the number of things we are talking about. Okay, if it is singular or plural, accordingly we have to write down. Number 1, dash flower is very pretty. So flower is near and it is 1. So what do we write here? This flower is very pretty. Yes. Number 2, dash boy is playing football. So the boy is far and it is about one boy. So what do we write when something is far and it is about one? We write that. That boy is playing football. Yes. Look at number 3. They are books, isn't it? Yes. Dash are my textbooks. Firstly, it is more than one. And where are they? They are near. More than one and near. What do we write? These. These are my textbooks. Yes? Now, number 4. Dash man is very tall. We are talking about one. And where is the man? He is far, isn't it? So, one and far, what do we write? That man. T-H-A-T, that. That man is very tall. Number 5. Dash ladies are my teachers. So they are near, isn't it? Yes, and they are more than one. So what do we write? These ladies are my teachers. Number 6. Suma takes dash bus every day. Now where is the bus? It is far. And how many? 1. Far and 1. What do we write? That. T-H-A-T, that. Suma takes that bus every day. Number 7. Dash are your bags. Dash are your bags. They are near and 2. They are 2. So what do we write? These are your bags. Alright. Now I have the answers displayed on the screen. Just cross check. Now let's move to page number 63. Tick the correct answer. You have to tick. I'll help you with the first one and then I want you to do the remaining one yourself. Okay? This or that is my favorite chocolate. The chocolate is near, isn't it? So what will you say? This or that? This. Yes, this. Put a tick on this. Now do the remaining 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And then you have the answers here on the screen. Cross check them. Okay? Alright, so we are done with this chapter. Turn to page number 64. We are going to start with chapter 14. What is the name of the chapter? A and the. A and the. Okay. Now firstly, what are these words called? A and the. They are called articles. What are they called? Articles. A-R-T-I-C-L-E-S. Articles. Okay. Now firstly, we will do the exercise in the same page 64. Okay. And then we will move further. Let's read the question. Fill in the blanks with a or an. Then color the pictures. Okay, you can color these pictures. And then first one, what is it? Dash apple. So is it a apple or an apple? It is an apple. Okay, write down A-N, an. Next, dash leaf. Is it a leaf or an leaf? It is a leaf. A. Write down A. Number 3, dash flower. What flower? A or an? It is a flower. Write down. Number 4, dash ant. An ant. A-N, an, ant. Okay. Now, what did we understand? We already learnt this in grade 1. When do we use a or an? Firstly, we have 26 alphabet, isn't it? Of which we have 5 vowels and 21 consonants, isn't it? Now, the words starting with vowel sound, okay? For example, as you can see on the screen, the words starting with vowel sound, before them we use the article an. For example, in this exercise we have written an apple, an ant, isn't it? And they are starting with a apple, a ant, isn't it? And they are vowels, vowel sound, isn't it? That's why we use an before the words that begin with a vowel sound. Now in the same way, the other letters of the alphabet are 21 and they are called consonants. Okay? And the sounds of these alphabets are consonant sounds. Now when words are starting with consonants or consonant sound, what is the article we use before it? Is a. Okay? A leaf, a flower that we have written, isn't it? Yes. Okay, so there is something written in the yellow box in page number 65. Let's read that. All common nouns have a or an before them. The words a and an are called articles. Okay, so a and an are always used for common nouns. All right, and when they are used, as I said, a is used before the words that begin with a consonant sound, and an is used before the words that begin with a vowel sound. All right, now let's do the exercise A. Write a or an before these words correctly. All right, let's look at number 1. Dash umbrella. Umbrella is starting with U, and what is the sound? A is again anyways a vowel sound, isn't it? A, E, I, O, U. Yes, these are all vowel sounds. So what comes before a vowel? An umbrella. Write down. Number 2. Dash glass. G, G is again consonant sound. What comes before a consonant sound? A glass. Number 3. Dash hour. H-O-U-R. H has a sound H, but here we don't say hour. It is hour. Starting with a vowel sound again, isn't it? So what comes here? An hour. All right. Number 4. Dash house. House. Yes, consonant sound. So what will write? A house. Number 5. Dash ear. It is starting with a consonant Y, but what is the sound it is beginning with? Ear. E is the vowel sound, right? So we write an ear. Number 6. Dash orange. O. So vowel sound, an orange. Now I want you to do it yourself from 7 to 10, and then the answers will be on the screen. Cross check. All right. Now, when do we use the? Okay, when do we use the? There are some sentences in the same page 65. Let's read them. All right. An eagle is flying high in the sky. The eagle is looking for something to eat. So, an eagle. Why an is written? Because eagle is starting with the vowel sound E. So, that's why we are written an eagle is flying high in the sky. But in the next one, the eagle is looking for something to eat is written. Why? Because firstly, when we are talking about the eagle, we have talking about some eagle, so we are writing an eagle. But when we know we are talking about the same eagle again, we say the eagle. Okay, that means the is also an article. Okay, and the is used when you talk about a particular thing or person. All right, a or and are used for common nouns, and the is also an article. It is used for a particular thing or person we are talking about. And where else the is used? Let's read in page number 66 what is written in the box. When we talk of a particular person or thing, okay, where else it is used? When there is only one of its kind in the world. For example, the king, the Taj Mahal, the sun, the sky, the earth, the moon. So what does it mean? That means when there is only one of its kind in the world, okay, like Taj Mahal, sky, earth, sun, these are all one of its kind, isn't it? So even for before these names we use the, not a or an. Okay, and one more rule where we use the is, as we already learned, when we talk or write about something that is already spoken about, like in the previous example, an eagle is flying in the sky. Yes, when we are talking about the same eagle again, we have written the. Yes, so what is the example written here in this page? We went to a church yesterday. The church was built in 1872. See, when we have spoken about it first, a church. Ch is again a consonant sound, so that's why a church. But when we are talking about the church again, we have written the church. I hope you have got all the three rules for using the article the. Now using these rules, we are going to complete the exercises. Okay. Look at section B. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. First one. Dash elephant came down our road yesterday. Dash elephant. So we are talking about some elephant. So what we'll write in the beginning? Elephant, A, starting with A, vowel sound. So an elephant. Alright. In the next sentence, dash elephant was very gentle. Now you're talking about the same elephant again. So what we will write? The elephant. Okay. The elephant was very gentle. Number 2. There is dash new road to my house. But dash road is very busy. There is dash new road. Now new is starting with a consonant sound. So we write a. There is a new road to my house. But we are talking about the same road again. So what we will write? But the road is very busy. T-H-E the. In the same way, I want you to do 3, 4, 5. Alright. And then you can cross check with the answers that are displayed on the screen. Now let's move to page number 67. Let's read the question C. Pick the correct option. First one. Kamla's parents wanted to go to Agra to see dash Taj Mahal. Now Taj Mahal is a monument and it is one of its kind in the world. Yes? Right. So what we will write for Taj Mahal? It is the Taj Mahal. To see the. Put a tick on the. Number 2. Dash eagle carried away dash hen from our house yesterday. So before eagle we write an eagle carried away. For a hen what do we write? A, because H is her sound is consonant. An eagle carried away a hen from our house yesterday. Dash eagle was very big. Now we are talking about that particular eagle which we have already spoken about. So what we will tick here? The eagle was very big. Number 3. My mother bought dash new car yesterday. So new is again starting with a consonant sound. So what we will put a tick on? A. My mother bought a new car. Number 4. Lakshmi and Rani ate dash apple. For apple what will we take? An apple. And dash orange each. An orange each. Karan said that he wanted dash banana. Banana is starting with B, consonant sound. So what will put it trick on? A. He wanted a banana. An apple, an orange, but a banana. Okay. Now do it yourself from 5 to 8. The answers are on the screen. Then you can cross check. Okay. Make sure that you listen to the beginning sound of each word. To write down if it is a, an. Alright. And when to use the, you already know. Now turn to page number 68. Complete this paragraph using a, an or the. Let's continue. My family and I always watch dash film on Sundays. My family and I always watch a film. F, because F is consonant sound. A film on Sundays. It is my favorite time of dash week. So about Sundays it is already mentioned. So we are talking about this again of dash week. So it is my favorite time of the week because we have already spoken about it. Write down the. We usually watch dash evening show. We usually watch an evening show. And we love all kinds of films. Sometimes we watch dash funny one. Sometimes what do we watch? We watch a funny one. Okay? Sometimes action, starting with a vowel sound. So, an action film. And sometimes dash mystery film. That is a mystery film because m is a consonant sound. Let's continue. My mother is dash big fan of Harry Potter films. So my mother is a big fan of Harry Potter films. After watching dash film, so it is about Harry Potter films again, right? It is about watching the film. Yes. So because it is already we have spoken about it, it will be the here. After watching the film, we have dinner at a restaurant. Very often, my father takes us for dash long drive. A long drive because L is a consonant sound in long. So before that we write a. Let's continue. I always get dash small toy on the way back. Small, s. It is consonant sound. So what will come before s? It is a small toy on the way back. Alright. So I hope it is all clear to everybody about articles. A and the are called articles. A is used before a consonant sound. An is used before the words beginning with vowel sound. And the is used for one of a kind when we are talking about one of its kind in the world. And if we have already spoken about something or mentioning about a particular thing, we use the. So there is a worksheet related to these chapters in the description block. Click on the link and find the worksheet and complete it. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, be safe at home and take care.